Tired of repeatedly clearing space and wasting time and energy debugging multiple devices for testing multiple batches of samples? This 3-chamber constant temperature and humidity chamber features 3 independent chambers, breaking the limitations of traditional test chambers that only allowed for 1 test per chamber. Each chamber can independently set temperature and humidity parameters and conduct tests simultaneously, achieving a 3-fold increase in test throughput within the same lab footprint. The chamber has a wide temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius and a full range humidity control of 20% to 98%, accurately reproducing complex natural environments such as extreme high and low temperatures and high humidity. It fully meets authoritative environmental testing standards such as GPT 24331-200A and IEC 6006821, perfectly adapting to the reliability verification needs of multiple fields such as electronic components, automotive parts, and new materials. Equipped with a communication interface, the chamber can transmit all data during the test process in real time, ensuring data traceability and accuracy. A stranger temperature fluctuation limit of less than or equal to plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius ensures the authenticity and reliability of every set of test data, truly achieving 1 device replacing 3. If you want to know which test protocol is best suited for your sample, please leave a comment below.